everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can extract text from images using Python. So let's start. First of all, uh, you have to go to the this link to download TSREact from GitHub. You can find the link in the description, and here you can download it. So I'm using Windows, so I'll download it. This one, Windows installer made with MinGW 64-bit. So this is for Ubuntu, and you can find according to your system. So after installing, you have to come here, and here you have to install the package with the name pip install py test erect. So you have to install this package py test erect. Okay, so after installing the package and after downloading and installing py test erect from this link, simply come to your IDE, and here you have to import PyTesseract, and then you have to import PIL sorry PIL from Pillow, and if you haven't installed the package Pillow, simply you can install it by using pip install uh, pip so much pip install Pillow. So you can simply install it by this, and here you have to from PIL import image. Okay, so now you have to give the path to where you have installed PyTest. So usually the path is like C on program files, and in sorry 86, and then erect OCR slash test erect dot exe. So usually the path is like this. You can see your path. I'll tell you how. So here you have to write py tesseract dot py tesseract dot tesseract cmd equal to, and here you have to copy this path. So first let me show you how you can get this path. Simply go to your directory, go to your C file where you have installed the tesseract, and open this 86 file program files, and here you will find tesseract.ocr. Here you can see it. Open it, and here you will find tesseract.exe, this application. So you have to give this path and simply copy it, and here you can paste it. So before pasting, simply write r comma and okay. So here tesseract.exe, then this. Okay, so after writing this path, now you have to give the image, which image you want to open, and from where you want to extract the words or text. So here you have to give the name of image. So let's say I have an image in the same directory, image1.jpg. So I'm gonna use it image one dot jpg. Okay, so after writing, you have to initialize the variable with any name you want, where you want to store your text. So I've declared as a text by dot image to you can extract it like image to boxes, image to data, image to OSD, image to PDF. So for image to text, we simply use image to string, and here we will pass image, this one here. And now there are two things. If you want to just see what you have extracted from image, you can simply print text. So here's the one method. So let me run it. So here you can see this is what inside the image. So let me show you the image. So this is the image that I have extracted, image1.jpg, face to face. I want to be, so here you can see face to face, I want to be with you, eyes gazing and everything like that. So now if I want to change it to another image, image2.jpg, here you can see this is image2.jpg. so if I want to extract it, I'll simply run it. By changing the name, it will simply extract it. So here you can see fire and eyes and exact the thing that is in the image. So now the second thing is, what if you want to store it in a file? So for storing it in a file, you simply need to open a file, f.open, let's say image.txt, and comma append f.write. So here we will simply pass this variable text where we have stored our extracted text, and then f.close. Okay, so now what will happen, it will simply create a file with image.txt if it is not created, and that if it is created, it will simply append in it the text that we have extracting from the image. So let's do it with image1. So let's run it. As you can see, it is giving us error because we haven't put this. Okay, so here you can see our code has compiled successfully. So now come to the directory, and here you will find image.txt. Here is the image.txt. So when I open it, you can simply see the exact thing that we have here in our image. This one, face to face, I want to be with you, and whatever. Okay, so now close this file and change it to image2 or image3, let's say. So this is our image3. So now if I run it, it will simply append that file and add the text in it. So process finished with exit code 0. So let's come again here. So our poem is starting with enjoy your gift. Okay, so here's the file, enjoy your gifted life. Here you can see this is our second extracted file. Okay, so you can extract many text from the images, from many images, like a single time, by simply just f.write, and you can explore this, and you can change it like dot append, dot write, dot read, whatever you want. So this is all for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.